Welcome students on online class for the subject physics. Today we have learned physics practicals, sonometer. We have seen sonometer, law of tension. For short experiment, a question is given as sonometer second. You are given a tuning fork of known frequency. Using sonometer, determine the length of vibration in unison with given tuning fork. For unknown tension, using the given value of T upon L square, determine the value of unknown tension. Given frequency N is equal to 341 Hz and T upon L square is equal to 4600 dyne per centimeter square. We have to solve the short experiment. So first, aim of short experiment will be determine unknown mass and unknown tension in the string. Using sonometer, law of tension. This experiment will be sonometer, slotted weights, with hanger, a tuning fork, of known frequency, light paper rider, and rubber pad. Etc. In this experiment we can use formula. For fundamental frequency, N equal to 1 upon 2L square root of T upon M, where N is or L is vibrating length of string, T is tension, M is mass per unit length. Squaring on both sides, N square equal to 1 upon 4 L square T upon small m. Therefore, T upon L square is equal to 4 N square M, which is constant. If N and M are kept constant, So T directly proportional to L square. This is law of tension. We use formula for unknown tension is equal to mean capital T upon L square multiplied by L dash square, where L dash is vibrating length for unknown tension. See here again, for unknown mass, that is equal to unknown tension upon G. Using this formula, we can calculate unknown mass and unknown tension by using the sonometer law of tension. We have seen the experimental diagram. Let us see the experimental diagram for sonometer. Given frequency of fork is 341 Hertz and given T square upon L is 4600 dyne per centimeter. If we remove mass 500 gram from applied mass, so it will be the applied mass, so that is unknown mass or unknown tension. If tuning fork is strike on rubber cord kept on sonometer box, so paper rider suffers. And note the reading. The reading will be 31 minus 10. It is 20. So vibrating length for unknown tension will be 20.5. Knife edge through a small distance. If strike tuning fork on rubber cord kept on sonometer box, paper rider suffers, and it note the reading, it will be 30.5 minus 10. Reading for unknown tension is 20.7. Calculation. We have to find mean L. So mean L is equal to L1 plus L2 upon 2 will be 20.5 plus 20.7. Their addition will be 12, 1, 41.2 divided by 2. So it is 20.6. So mean length will be 20.6, which is named as L dash. If we square L dash square will be 20.6 square. So its square is 428.49. So L square is 428.49. we know that the formula for unknown tension is equal to mean T upon L square multiplied by L dash square, which is 4600 multiplied by 428.49. If we can use the log, so characteristics of 4600, its characteristics will be 3 point, and characteristics for 428 will be 2 point. So if we add 46 in 0, its log will be 6628. Sorry, its log will be 6628. 42 in 8, 4 is in mean difference. 42 in 8, 6314, and in 4, 4 is there, so 6318. If we add 16, 4, 9, 12, 6 point and take its antilog, if we can find out the antilog of 0.29 in 4 will be 1968, and in 6 mean difference is there, will be 3. So it is 1.971 into 10 to the power 6 Dyn. So unknown tension will be 1.971 into 10 raised to 6 Dyn. So we know that mg is equal to 1.971 into 10 to the power 6 Dyn. So we want to find unknown mass. So m is equal to 1.971 into 10 to the power 6 upon g. So g has value 980 centimeter per second square, and it will be Dyn gram centimeter per second square. So m is equal to 1.971 into 10 to the power 6 upon 980 gram centimeter per second square divided by centimeter per second square. They get cancelled. Using log, 0.2 point subtraction. 19 in 7, 1 is in mean difference. So 19 in 7 will be 2945, and 1 mean difference will be 2. So 2947, and here 98 will be 9912. From 7, 5 is remaining. From 4, 3 is remaining. 0 is remaining. From 12, 3 is remaining. 1 is there. So addition, it will be bar 3. Take its antilog. Antilog of 0.30 in 3. 0.30 in 3, it will be 2009, and in 5 will be 2. So unknown mass is equal to 2.007 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 6 gram. So 2.007 into 10 to the power 3 gram, and unknown mass is equal to 2007 gram. So if we see result of the experiment will be unknown tension in the string or applied in the string or applied to the string using sonometer. Capital T is equal to 1.971 into 10 to the power 6 gram centimeter per second square. Unknown mass to the applied string by using sonometer. Capital M is equal to 2007 gram. If we see precautions for the short experiment will be keep paper rider in middle between two knife edges, and secondly the stem of tuning fork must be raised on sonometer box.